Successful marketing campaigns start with accurate data, but people and contact information change all the time, so it's a nightmare to keep data clean. Yet without up-to-date contact details, your marketing will ultimately fire in the wrong direction, at the wrong target, and your sales team will waste valuable time and money. GSA can ensure that you have the most up-to-date data for your sales lead generation. We build bespoke lists of relevant decision makers in the right companies with whom you want to do business. We research our data using advanced LinkedIn search and multiple other online and offline sources to ensure that you reach the correct targets for your business development and marketing efforts. So if you want to create a tailored list of contacts for telemarketing, email marketing, and direct mail, and for LinkedIn connections, contact us now.